First power play of the game, 17th ranked power play in the OHL. The Owen Sound attack, nice cross ice pass, looking for the tip and a save by Krawchuk.
Even nicer save by Krawchuk there.
Oh, Molnar lets it drop. Molnar. Odell streaking in, open net, Jack Ziliato scores.
That's a big goal for Jack Ziliato. Huge opportunity for him right in front of the net.
Raw wins that battle behind the net. Out front has Musty on the doorstep. Hit the back of the net. Villeneuve kicks it to the forehand. Villeneuve sends the Wolf across the wire.
Nathan Villeneuve does it again. He has that unique ability to control that puck.
He wins it free, out in front, Tejon Street on the doorstep, Ziliato, he scores, second of the game.
It's Ziliato's goal, but it's Tejon Street that's digging in front of the net, creating this opportunity.
Musty, right to Molnar, he takes a shot off the shoulder, comes back out into the net. Molnar gets a gift.
Yeah, wrap that one up and put a big red bow on it, because that is going to be one that you go back and watch and say, but how?
And the Sudbury Wolves score again. DG Tommaso from the point. And DG get the monkey off his back. The Sudbury Wolves have an on-man rush, 3-on-2. Villeneuve with Musty, back to Muse, and what a play by the Sudbury Wolves, tic-tac-toe.
You and I have talked so much about Henry Muse and his offensive ability.
Chips it off the boards, shot hits the side of the net. Back out to Coughlin, and another for the Sudbury Wolves, 7.
Make that number 19 on the season for Chase Coughlin. Again, getting so close to those milestone markers.
Pass ahead, Musty. Now to Villeneuve, he's got some room. Villeneuve, give him another.
I'm not sure what we call that, Selly, if it's a head scratcher, because that's literally what he was doing.
Greenberg, Zorowski steps in, shot, shutout over.